Say baby I love you. 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 I love you.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's the one and the only Mimi. In today's video we're going to do a little review or haul, whatever you want to call it, on the 25mm lashes or the butterfly lashes that you guys seen everywhere. Everybody and their mother has them. But first, make sure you click the subscribe button because I'm on the road to 2K and I believe that we can do it together. I'm always trying to gain new dolls and new family members, so why not? You're already on this video anyway. So okay, so I'm wearing one of the styles now. As you can see, like, I am not used to these long lashes. Like, I've been wearing the 3D mink lashes that I sell on my site, but honey, and I thought I was being extra with those, but honey, I took it to the max. Bitch, I'm about to fly. Like, but I'm loving them. Like, I feel as though with lashes you don't have to do a lot of makeup or nothing. Like, this is the makeup look, this is the complete look, and you still look bomb. So I have this size or style. I'll probably put the names down here because I don't remember them on top of my head. These do retail for $10 on slaybymimi.net. The link will be in the description box below, so make sure you check them out if you want to get a good deal on these lashes. Okay, these can be worn 20 to 30 times if taken care of properly. That means, you know, you're cleaning them right, you're not ripping them, you're not doing nothing crazy like that. Okay, don't get crazy. But yeah, other people sell them for like $20 and higher. Girl, it's all about bougie on a budget here. So if y'all like these, make sure you go ahead and get you a pair. Only $10, sis. What is your excuse? Next are these. These are real extra. They're really cute. They're for people who want to be extra. These lashes, the 25mm lashes, they're for people who want to be extra and cute and want to fly away. They're not for people who are reserved and, you know, and boring. No, they're for people who want to look extra and cute. I also sell 3D mink lashes in, you know, the normal size, normal look style or whatever, and then I also have extraness in the 3D minks, and they're not as wild as this. So if that is your thing, go ahead and check out the 3D minks. And also, these are kind of like on the natural normal side, but they're still long. Like, I would probably wear these. I wouldn't wear these every day. Like, I know somebody who wear these as an everyday. This is the second style or the third style. I'm gonna wear these every day because I'm extra like that. They just fit my face, make me look bomblicious. But these are the third style. As you can see, they're a little bit more thinner, longer, wispier. If you're into them, trying not to blind you with my ring light. And the last style, I only carry 4 styles of the 25mm lashes of right now because I'm just trying to see if you guys fuck with them or not. So these are real cute. I might put these on one day to show these off to y'all because they're really cute. This is something I see Ari, the real something, the real Ari, something like that, on Instagram. Could be with Aragon Tay. She would wear something like this and these. So yeah, so these are all the affordable lashes that I have to show you guys today. So yeah, make sure you get you a pair. They're only $10. They're cheap, fine, cheap, fine, and the girl, they look cute. They're very high quality. They're soft. They're not shiny looking or nothing because, girl, it's 100% real, but it's on a budget. So get with it. Alright, if you guys like these type of videos or want me to do more videos broadcasting products that I sell on my site or just doing affordable hauls in general, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!